Good day, everyone. It's your boy again, Kelechukwu. All right, there's this account I've been trading for a while, a $10,000 account I've been trading. I just want to brief on how I traded it and how I get my payout over on the account for the first very time. Having a payout from prop firms after like of losing two accounts, right? So I lost two accounts back then, 2024, and still this new year around January period, right? So one was the account my boss gifted me, a $10,000 account evaluation. I get to pass that one within the space of 2 weeks. And then the second phase, I was in deep drawdown, get over the losses, almost like, let me say, almost like $50 to pass the account. This revenge trading and over trading made me lose the account and bridge my daily drawdown. So I was so pained, but it is what it is. I took it upon myself to keep doing what I'm doing non-stop, right? Because whatever you are doing, you won't be seen, even though no one is looking at you, even though no, just do it regardless that you know where you're heading to. Because all this trading is one of the business in the world that can make you good money, and at still the same time it can still make you lose crazy money, right? So this account, I've been trading this account for like, the account was bought by my investor, so give it to me and said I should try it out, right? So I just get to be taking things slowly. I didn't too take the account so that serious because I don't trade every day on it. Any day I see good opportunity, I enter. If I didn't see opportunity, I rest for that day. I close my PC, right? So this account, I was just taking it gradually. You can just see how the threads over there is going. You can just see how it is right here, right? So now, if this video is something you are finding value, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notification, but whenever I drop new amazing videos, YouTube will get to notify you. And if you get to, if you really want to trade with these guys, trade 10 trades, maybe I will drop my link over in the description. You can actually steal a link of my IG on the description. So if you want to ask me any question, chat me directly on the Instagram account, right? I will respond to every one of you. So right on this account, I was just taking it slowly. So I just traded the account not up to even a week to even get to 5%. I actually want to get to 10%, but I just said let me just get to 5% to see how this rule that I kept has taken me to before if they reset the account again, let me just get. So I traded the account not up to even 1 week of trading it. I've already gotten almost 5%. That's about 4.99. You can just see how my payout over there. So I just decided to give it a shot, then it clicked, right? So you just place the payout about last 2 days according to the time you're watching the video right now. Just place the withdrawal on 25th. It was very pretty fast. It was fast. I was even surprised. It was very fast. We placed the withdrawal around that 8 o'clock. Before 10 or so, they've already paid it out, right? So they are very, very fast. So I was like, oh, nice, nice, nice. After a series of failing two prop firms, just imagine that kind of thing. I kept on doing it because I know that if that one didn't go, it doesn't mean that I don't know what I'm doing. I still need to keep trying and trying. No quitting. Don't stop. If you are a beginner, try scale up. Prop firms is a very nice way for you to scale up from. It's not much you must trade the funded one, because it's the funded one I traded with, right? The straight instant funded. And actually start with evaluation, keep stacking up a little by little whenever you didn't see opportunity. The reason why I failed the first prop firm, that was the first very time I was trading prop firm. My boss gifted me the account. So I failed that account because I was over trading. Imagine an account that is just remaining $50 to pass the second phase. I I lost more than that because of over trading, and that cost a daily drawdown bridge. I get to bridge my daily drawdown, right? So if that have taken things very easy with myself, then I would have passed the account and scale up to be funded. And once I'm funded, I'll trade and get my payout, right? So these things about trading, patience is one of the big key over there. Patience, being disciplined on your grind. just keep going non-stop. We'll all get there, right? So if this is something you find helpful, and if you really want to trade with these guys, can actually use my link to sign up, right? So once you're done signing up, and you need to be clarified on a few things, maybe about their rules, how I get to maintain the rules to get the payout. Actually, chat me up on the Instagram, on my Instagram handle that I will be dropping around my description, right? So get to chat me up. I'll respond to you. I'll respond to each and every one of you, right? So stay safe out there. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share it out to your friends. Those beginners that want to give up, don't give up. Don't give up. There is more things. There is much things out there to get, right. Trading is not something you can just get rich overnight. It's a gradual process. You have to keep stacking up, keep grinding. Even when no one is even seeing you, keep doing it. Do it with passion, do it with love. Do it that this is just your last option in life. You get, just keep doing it, right? It will all click up. And once it click up, it has started. So, okay, stay safe out there. Peace.